ETH cost could end the exchange for 2023 with a possible high of $1,866.79. Ethereum's Shanghai refreshed is planned for first 50% of 2023. Ethereum cost with a potential flood could go as high as $26,575.21 toward the finish of 2030. Ethereum keeps on holding its crown as the biggest altcoin. The ETH value keeps on leftover in the discussions of the crypto market, notwithstanding the tepid reaction to the consolidation. While pundits have been vocal about ETH's momentary cost projections, maximalists keep on support the biggest altcoin. Ethereum has the biggest market capitalization following the head ever the Bitcoin. Will Ethereum value arise to walk to new highs whenever sooner? Or then again will ETH lose its crown to other potential digital forms of money like Polkadot's cost? The impending update on Ethereum Shanghai hard fork, which is planned for 2023, may flood the cost of the coin to more noteworthy levels. This review will get every one of your questions arranged. Lock in as we translate reasonable Ethereum cost expectation 2023-2025 and the years to come. After Bitcoin, Ethereum has the most elevated esteem in today's market. It has forever been on the watch rundown of each crypto head and financial backers. Bitcoin cost forecast and Ethereum cost expectation has forever been a worry as it assumes a significant part in this industry. ETH is viewed as the biggest altcoin ever. In Ethereum, market exchange are made and worth billions every day, and the interest is just expanding. Will Ethereum go up? Economic situations are extremely unpredictable at this point. Its main goal is to make a world a superior spot for every single living being, and is advancing on it a large number of days. Ethereum cost expectation for 2023 could go from $1,522.72 to $1,866.79 for the year. What is Ethereum? ETH. Ethereum is a decentralized open-source blockchain underlining savvy contract usefulness. Ether is the local digital currency made by Ethereum excavators as a profit for computations led to safeguard the blockchain. The organization began to work on 30 July 2015. As of then, 72 million coins were printed. This reports for around 65% of the complete flowing stock in April 2020. The convention deals with the verification of work POW agreement system and will progress the POS component. This was finished in mid of 2022. ETH coin value forecast 2023. Ethereum designers as of late finished up a gathering where they examined on expected Ethereum improvement recommendations into the Ethereum Shanghai redesign. Ethereum Shanghai fork overhaul is set to present a lot of basic updates and changes to Ethereum and the blockchain's EVM functionalities. Preceding the genuine delivery, the Ethereum establishment delivered a pre-Shanghai testnet on 14 October 2022. The testnet is known as Shandong, which will be utilized to test and settle the Ethereum improvement that are supposed to be carried out in the genuine Shanghai update during the delivery. In the event that ETH finds consistent ascent in brokers and financial backers, we can expect Ethereum cost forecast 2023 to start on a bullish note, which could drive in additional collusions, selections, and financial backers. Wherefore, the cost of ETH could end the exchange for 2023 at $1,866.79. Nonetheless, on a negative note, the altcoin could end its exchange for the year at $1,522.72. All things considered, obliged by direct energy, the typical cost could find its base at $1,674.91. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2024. ETH is subject to POS, which is gotten by many excavators and information base. Ethereum changed to a proof-of-stake system in 2022 on the grounds that it was more protected and gotten, though Solana depends on POW, which includes a specific number of consecutive computational advances that conclude the delay between two occasions and give the exchanges a period slip by. With the Solana network safer, quicker and less expensive when contrasted with Ethereum, Solana costs can possibly surpass Ethereum before long as more number of individuals have begun to take on this over ETH. The developing unmistakable quality of Ethereum could welcome worldwide acknowledgement and carry out of ETFs and spot ETFs. This could invite a more extensive crowd who could push the cost to more noteworthy levels, appearing which, this altcoin's cost could head towards its possible high of $2,939.04 toward the finish of 2024. Then again, on the off chance that the confirms run the bulls, the cost could downturn to at least $2,411.36. Progressively, a harmony in trading tensions could land the cost at $2,595.99. Ethereum Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the Ethereum biological system centers around helping its endeavors focus on new undertakings, advancements, and organizations to improve the organization, with more current updates connected with Ethereum 2.0 like forsaking the POW. Also, in the event that versatility is sufficient, and ETH 2.0 becomes easy to understand throughout the long term, ETH cost is expected to hit its limit of $4,616.77. Nonetheless, in the event of a potential accident because of any potential guidelines, vulnerability might cause the altcoin to tumble to $3,796.66. All things considered, taking into account the bullish and negative focuses on the normal cost could settle at $3,966.59. Ethereum Value Expectation 2026. As indicated by our examiners, Ethereum's cost for the year 2026 could go between $5,566.77 to $6,610.75, and the typical cost of ETH could be around $5,713.12. ETH Value Expectation 2027. As per our examiners, ETH cost for the year 2027 could run between $6,800.10 to $8,705.44, and the typical cost of Ethereum could be around $7,246.74. Ethereum Value Gauge 2028. As indicated by our investigators, Ethereum cost for the year 2028 could go between $12,613.01 to $16,410.87, and the typical cost of ETH could be around $14,482.48. ETH Value Conjecture 2029. As indicated by our examiners, ETH's cost for the year 2029 could go between $16,192 to $21,994.32, and the typical cost of Ethereum could be around $19,010.77. Ethereum Value Expectation 2030. As per our experts, Ethereum's cost for the year 2030 could go between $20,647.23 to $26,575.21, and the typical cost of ETH could be around $23,563.01. Ethereum Value Forecast. Factors like effective progress to pose and developing effort could lean stars for the convention, with a lift to the wistful conviction of financial backers and dealers. The value forecast of ETH could push to $1,866.79 toward the finish of 2023. On the drawback, expanding FUD among financial backers and absence of updates could control the cost to bottoms at $1,522.72. This gives the typical Ethereum exchange cost of around $1,674.91 for the year 2023. The previously mentioned targets are the typical targets set by the particular firms. Authentic Ethereum Value Opinions 2016-2022. ETH Star